In this video, we're reviewing state board practice questions to help you refresh your knowledge and learn the material in a test-style format. These questions are just for review, a great way to prepare and feel confident for your real exam. Let's get started. Question number 61. Before applying the eyelash extensions, you should always A. Apply immediately. B. Skip consent. C. Check for allergy/patch test. D. Use any glue. The answer is check for allergy/patch test. Question number 62. A contraindication for using a steamer is A. Oily skin. B. Fragile capillaries/sensitive/rosacea. C. Normal skin. D. Combination skin. The answer is fragile capillaries/sensitive/rosacea. Question number 63. Mitosis results in A. Cell death. B. Cell reproduction producing two identical cells. C. Gametes. D. Protein synthesis. The answer is cell reproduction producing two identical cells. Question number 64. Keratinocytes are found in which skin layer? A. Dermis. B. Hypodermis. C. Epidermis. D. Muscle. The answer is epidermis. Question number 65. Which layer lies directly under the stratum lucidum? A. Stratum corneum. B. Stratum bile. C. Stratum spinosum. D. Stratum granulosum. The answer is stratum granulosum. Question number 66. Sunlight on the skin stimulates production of A. Collagen. B. Vitamin D. C. Vitamin C. D. Melatonin. The answer is vitamin D. Question number 67. Desmosomes are A. Pigment cells. B. Oil glands. C. Intercellular junctions holding keratinocytes together. D. Sweat glands. The answer is intercellular junctions holding keratinocytes together. Question number 68. What liquid is used to stop minor bleeding? A. Alcohol. B. Witch hazel. C. Styptic powder. D. Hydrogen peroxide. The answer is styptic powder. Question number 69. Bromidrosis is caused by A. Excess oil. B. Bacteria breaking down sweat. C. Fungal infection. D. Blocked follicles. The answer is bacteria breaking down sweat. Question number 70. The acid mantle is composed of A. Collagen and elastin. B. Sebum, sweat, dead cells. C. Water only. D. Lipids alone. The answer is sebum, sweat, dead cells. Question number 71. Tinea versicolor is A. A. Bacterial infection. B. Viral infection. C. Fungal infection causing discolored patches. D. Genetic disorder. The answer is fungal infection causing discolored patches. Question number 72. Eyelash extensions should be applied A. In clusters. B. One at a time. C. All at once. D. On skin. The answer is one at a time. Question number 73. Psoriasis is best described as A. Bacterial infection. B. Chronic autoimmune disorder. C. Fungal infection. D. viral. The answer is chronic autoimmune disorder. Question number 74. Which of the following is an intrinsic factor of aging? A. Sun exposure. B. Genetics. C. Pollution. D. UV damage. The answer is genetics. Question number 75. Phototherapy in aesthetics refers to A. Chemical peels. B. Light therapy, LED, UV. C. Microdermabrasion. D. Steam. The answer is light therapy, LED, UV. Question number 76. Approximately what percentage of the dermis is made of collagen? A. 30%. B. 50%. C. 70%. D. 90%. The answer is 70%. Question number 77. The highest point of an eyebrow arch should align with A. The outer corner. B. The inner corner. C. The iris. D. The pupil. The answer is the iris. Question number 78. Titanium dioxide is used in sunscreen as A. Chemical filter. B. Physical blocker. C. Antioxidant. D. Humectant. The answer is physical blocker. Question number 79. A Wood's lamp is used to A. Measure skin thickness. B. Identify skin conditions like pigmentation, bacteria, dehydration. C. Perform exfoliation. D. Stimulate circulation. The answer is identify skin conditions like pigmentation, bacteria, dehydration. Question number 80. Merkel cells in the epidermis are responsible for A. Pigment. B. Touch/pressure sensation. C. Immune defense. D. Oil production. The answer is touch/pressure sensation.